So miogla toktok lo ibla baim Erap Coffee. So this is the Erap Coffee factory. Stablong Nadzap, just Abrisim Airport na Kamatablilik. Now this investment was made over a period of 10 years. So parent company WIA Trade is not a new company on the coffee scene. It's been buying and selling coffee for the last 10 years. The Erap Coffee brand itself is roasted in this room here, beside roastery blol, and backside there mas install upset. So this is a Papua New Guinean company. It's run by Dr. Joel Waramboy and Mrs. Blongem. Erap Coffee emi single origin coffee emi kamlo one plahap tasol, because in order to maintain quality Blongem na some credibility, because the coffee, it has to come from one place. So that's what's been happening. So in Bakseta Pastem. So there's a processing facility, all of this whole factory here. So there's this processing facility here. And for example, so this processing facility that processes coffee, green bean coffee, different kind of quality blongan by Kamarlo here. And some blongan this thing can't move yet. It's black kind of coffee also. So I'm green bean. Parchment, I'm by processing of green bean. So this is where the investment, like over the last 10 years, investment there belong this company. I'm going to long. I'm going to long machine. I'm going to long processing facility. Na big plat sank lo this la money mi totok la mea. Big na hap long straight. I'm going to fama. Or like pasim doana. Yeah, golong all fama. So yeah, and the man himself here. Doctor, please, you come story was the lily under me. Yeah. So this is Dr. Joel Waramboy. He owns WIA Trade. WIA Trade is the company that pays your money directly to farmers. So your story is la connection between farmer and WIA Trade na online lo Erap. So yes. Man understand him this la.
Okay, good. Awesome. Scott talk pinis. Me owner company WIA Trade. Mibla work one time all farmer Erap since 2016 he come. So that's almost 10 years. Mibla work one time all, help him all, train him all, long all kind of training, block coffee here, they go around the capacity building or some financial literacy. At the same time, Mibla rehabilitate him all coffee garden, long all, give him all tools, also coffee pulper, spade, grass knife, lo help him all, clean him all garden, long all. Mibla provide him market too. Me build him coffee mill. Me buy him coffee blongol. Put the money go inside the pocket blongol. Or help him all. Send him sit down blongol. So since PPAP project and me come na finish, me continue to work one time all. Me no lose him all. Me work here. He come na now. Me come up in this Erap Coffee.
Inabi talk clear because no go to sample man thing also me oglo to oglo sample 1,000 kinata sol go pocket blow or fama explain him the magnitude blow this operation pastem na imelogin.
Okay, and need long PPAP CIC PPAP project ikam all upstream production lo improving coffee value chain. A total of 6.5 million kina has been invested. Long okimogo that's all project work plus and need la PPAP project kami all seedlings, tools, all resource center, wet mill facilities, all training, that is something come, including all building lahia, providing market all coffee, all machineries, all these things help him improve him upstream production or production end of the value chain. So total investment 6.5 million kina is invested to help improve coffee production. Sit down blow farmer inside Erap. Okay, come down now long since 2020. Maybe start processing coffee, maybe export him. From 2020 July up to now, maybe exported 60 containers, full container loads, 7.8 million kina. Maybe pay me go directly inside the pocket of farmer. Help him all, improve him sit down blong all, buy him kappa, send him house, buy him school fee, all this kind of something, maybe make him. So cash goes directly into the pockets of our rural people. And all magnitude or size of the impact that we are making. Finish yet, and by go yet. Maybe work yet one time farmer. We haven't left them. We are still working with them for I don't know how many years. And by still working.
Now, Erap Coffee, emon bla liklik pat lo operation blue, but emon bla more visible story blue. Inapi story liklik lo Erap Coffee em kama bolsonan.
Yes, Erap Coffee also me talk finish past time. The origin or location lo work blamibla em focus le Erap. That is our focus area. We work there, every time, every week, every day, and we work lab. So that's one thing where this la name Erap may come up. Narbla something and was from Erap Coffee name come lengan and was product emi makim original this la product ya. Coffee blo Erap become come up Erap Coffee product now sit down the market ya. So we want to promote local coffee from Erap. That's the origin. That's why this la name em start on top lo Erap Coffee packet ya.
Thank you, Drew.